Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Iqra Shaukat, and today I'm going to discuss how you can start CSS preparation from scratch. Since we got to know there are so many exams going on like CSS Special, PMS, CSS 2024. So I thought to share with you how you can start CSS preparation particularly. CSS preparation from scratch is so many questions that pop-ups in the mind of CSS aspirant. Many aspirants are interested to know how they can start from scratch, like what's the first step they could do. So my answer to all of those is to keep it as simple and in a sizable chunk that it could address all your queries, or you can just start doing it. If there is so much planning would be involved, it could never be happen. That's what I thought always. So instead of taking extra help or consulting extra sources, I would try to say just start doing it. To do it, first thing first is you have to take help from the Dawn newspaper. Start from the editorial and opinion section. Second thing is you can start from one compulsory subject. It could be anything from the easiest to difficult, that's your choice. But make sure if you start easy compulsory, try to pick difficult optional or easy and vice versa. Reason thereby it's your start and you could be so panic if you could start so many things at the same time. The third thing is I would suggest you to take general readings like Acing CSS. You can start from the Acing CSS along with Dawn newspaper for the writing. From the editorial section, these things would help you to start doing it from scratch. Not last but not the least one is to take the subject selection very seriously. Always consult some mentor or some experienced person who can help you to take the right kind of subject that could help you in the long run. That must be up for now. If you liked it, you can comment it here, you can share, or you can ask as many questions as you would like in the comment section. Thank you very much. That must be up for now. Allah Hafiz. Take care.